Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about our earth. Do you know where you live?
Friends, how are you? Can you guess me? Who am I? Yes, I am Earth. I am small, but I am very important in the universe. Do you want to know more about me? Today we are going to discuss about me. So listen to it and enjoy today's class.
Yes, we live on the planet Earth. Do you know about planets? Do you think all the planets look same? Yes or no?
Each and every planet is unique.
And they are different. The Earth is the third planet in our solar system. Our planet Earth is different from other planets. It has life and it supports life.
No other planet has life.
And it has air and water too. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer is called atmosphere. Earth is a huge ball covered with water, rocks and soil and covered by air. The shape of the Earth is not exactly a round ball. It is flattened at the poles. It looks more like an orange. The Earth is called blue planet because the large part on it is covered with water and which it gives blue appearance. Do you think only human being living on Earth? No. Animals and plants live on Earth's surface. From the frozen surface in the Arctic to dry hot land of the Sahara Desert. From high snowy mountain peaks to the deep ocean. We are so lucky to be living on Earth, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Yes, we are so lucky to be living on Earth. The atmosphere protects our Earth from the harmful rays of the sun. It also helps to keep the temperature of the Earth steady. The atmosphere consists of two main gases, oxygen and nitrogen. There are also other gases like carbon dioxide and etc., which are present in very small quantities. Earth has a right amount of oxygen to support life. Atmosphere traps the heat of the sun and keep the earth warm. Without air, there will not be any sound. It is the wave in the air which help us to hear the sound. As I told you before, Earth is made up of land and water. We have already discussed about oceans now, children. Do you remember? Now, let's learn about the water on Earth. 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water. 1/4 is land. The land consists of soil, sand and rocks. From where do we get water, children? Yes, we get water from oceans and seas. Ocean and seas are the biggest body of salt water. Melting snow and rain flows down high hills and mountains to form rivers. A lake is a large body of standard water which is fresh. A pond is a smaller body of fresh water. These water bodies are found in nature. They are natural. There are man-made lakes and ponds too. Earth is made up of land and water. Now we learnt about water. We will discuss about landforms. Landforms. Plains are the flat lands. Hills and mountains are higher than plains. Mountains are higher than the hills. Forests are the areas where many trees grow. The trees grow very closer to each other. Now we have discussed about land and water. Now you know how the water and land are formed on the earth. The factors that make it possible for the living being to survive on the earth are water, air, and earth's distance from the sun. If the sun is being close to the earth, it will be very hot. It would be extremely cold if it would have been too far away. The distance from the sun also make life possible on the earth. So we discussed about our earth, the shape of the earth, atmosphere, and earth is made up of water and land, and also the factors that make it possible for the living being to live on earth. I think this lesson will be useful for you. We will meet in the next class. Next class we are going to discuss about the layers of earth. Are you interested to know about the layers of the earth? Then we will discuss in the next class, children.